Welcome to our channel. Safari browser doesn't have a call forwarding feature, but you can disable call forwarding on your iPhone that affects all apps including Safari. Here's how to do it simply. Step 1. Understand that call forwarding is a cellular feature, not a browser feature. The steps below will disable call forwarding for your entire iPhone, which affects calls made through any app. Step 2. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is the grey icon with gears that's found on your home screen. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Phone. This section contains all phone-related settings including call forwarding options. Step 4. Tap on Call Forwarding in the Phone Settings menu. You'll see whether this feature is currently enabled or disabled. Step 5. If call forwarding is enabled, you'll see a green toggle switch. Tap on this switch to disable call forwarding. Step 6. The toggle will turn grey when call forwarding is disabled. This means calls will no longer be automatically forwarded to another number. Step 7. Exit the Settings app. Your call forwarding is now disabled for all calls, including those initiated from links in Safari. Step 8. If you don't see the call forwarding option, contact your mobile carrier. Some carriers require you to use a dialing code to disable call forwarding. Step 9. For most carriers, you can dial **73# to disable call forwarding. Enter this code in your phone's dialer and press call. Step 10. Verify that call forwarding is disabled by calling your number from another phone. The call should ring your iPhone directly rather than forwarding to another number. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.